Hello everyone, myself Ajay Eknath Chowdhury and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 1st February 2022 and this is a real video of today's topic methods and its types. Methods in Java we have to see. A method is a way to perform some task. Similarly, the methods in Java is a collection of instruction that perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of code. You can also easily modify code using methods. A method is a block of constructor or collection of statement or a set of code grouped together to perform a certain task. Types of methods. There are two types of methods in Java. We have to see, that is predefined and user defined. First one, predefined. So in predefined methods in Java, the predefined methods are methods that already defined in the Java class libraries is known as predefined methods. It is also known as standard library methods or built-in methods. We can directly use these methods just by calling them in a program that at any point. Some predefined methods are length, equal, compared to, square root. Each and every predefined method is defined inside the class, such as print method is defined in the Java. Print stream class, it's print the statement that we write inside the method. Second one is user defined methods. The user defined methods written by the user or programmer is known as user defined methods. The methods the methods that are modified according to the requirement of user is known as user defined methods. It how it's create how it's create let's focus on it. Let's create a user defined method that checks the number is even or odd. First we have to define the method. You have to define the above method name, find even odd. It has a parameter num of int type int. The method does not return any value. That why we have unused void. The method body contains the step of check and the number is even or odd. If the number is even, it prints the even number, else it prints the odd. Once we have defined a method, it should be called. The calling of method in programming, in simple static second is static method. A static method has a static keyword known as static method. In other words, a method that belongs to a class rather than an instance of class is known as static method. We can also create a static method using keyword static before the method name. Instant method. Next one is the method of a class is known as an instant method. It is a non-static method defined in the class. Before calling or invoke the instant method, it is necessary to create an object of its class. There are two types of instant method in Java, that is access modifier, mutator method. Second one is accessor method is the method that reads the instant variable is known as accessor method. We can easily identify it because the method is prefixed with the word get and it is also known as getter. It return the value of private field. It also used to get the value of private. Second one is mutator method. This method read the instant variable and also modify the values. You can also easily identify it because the method is predefined with word set and it is also known as setter or modifier. It does not return anything. It accept a parameter of the same data types that depends on the field and it is used to get the value of private. Second one is abstract method. The method does not a method becomes the abstract. In other words, without the implementation is known as abstract method. It always declares in the abstract classes. It means the class itself must be abstract if it has abstract method. To create an abstract method, we use keywords abstract factory method. Next one is it is the factory method that return an object to the class which belongs to all the static methods are factory methods. And methods are can be generally of user defined and predefined. We if methods are the most important role play in the Java. And today we have discussed all the topic of methods. So thank you for watching my video.